Nobody told you this, but the reason you've been avoiding party dresses since 50 isn't your body. It's that nobody ever showed you the 5 silhouettes actually built for a woman who's lived, the ones that make an entire room recalibrate the second you walk in. Not safe, not shrinking, statement pieces. And today, I'm giving you all 5. Welcome back to Melanin Care. I'm about to hand you 5 dresses that don't just fit, they command a room. If you're new here, hit subscribe because every week we're doing exactly this, proving that elegance after 50 isn't about playing it safe, it's about playing it smart. Drop a comment and tell me the last event you wore something that actually made you feel like a queen, because by the end of this, you're going to have 5 new reasons to. Here's what nobody tells you. Most women over 50 don't struggle at parties because of their age. They struggle because they're still reaching for what worked 20 years ago, or worse, what everyone told them was age appropriate. That word should be illegal. So let's talk about what actually works, starting with the one fabric that does half the work for you before you even walk in the room. Dress number 5, the velvet dress. Velvet has a secret most women walk right past in the store. It doesn't just sit on your body, it catches light differently with every single movement you make. That's not an accident. That's why it reads as expensive in every photo, under every kind of lighting, at every party you'll ever attend. Here's the actual mechanism. Velvet has a pile, a soft raised nap that reflects light unevenly depending on which direction it's brushed, which means when you move, when you sit, when you turn to greet someone, the dress catches the light differently each time. Most fabrics are static. Velvet is alive. And for melanin-rich skin specifically, this matters even more. Deep jewel-toned velvet, think emerald, sapphire, a rich wine, a deep plum, doesn't compete with your skin tone. It deepens it. It makes your complexion look lit from within instead of washed out under party lighting, which, let's be honest, is rarely flattering to begin with. Imagine this. You walk into a dimly lit venue, string lights overhead, and instead of disappearing into the shadows the way a flat cotton or polyester dress would, your dress is catching every flicker of light and turning it into movement. That's the difference between being in the room and owning it. Now, here's where most women get this wrong. They go for a cheap stretch velvet blend that looks more like upholstery than couture, or they choose a color so dark it reads as blending in rather than commanding attention. Skip the black velvet unless it's your only option, and go for color instead. A fitted silhouette works beautifully here because velvet has enough structure to hold its shape without help. Pair it with gold or warm-toned jewelry, not silver. Warm tones against jewel-toned velvet is where the magic happens. This dress is made for the indoor evening event, the dinner party, the gallery opening, anywhere the lighting is soft and low, and keep the rest of the look quiet. One statement earring, a clean hairstyle, maybe a single cuff. Let the fabric be the star. But velvet isn't for every party. Sometimes you need something with movement, something that photographs like it's dancing before you even hit the floor. And that's exactly what's coming up next. Dress number 4, the sequin dress, done the right way. I need you to unlearn something right now. Sequins are not just for 20-somethings at a nightclub. The idea that sparkle has an expiration date is exactly the kind of nonsense we're here to dismantle. But here's the nuance nobody explains. There's a massive difference between a full sequin dress that reads as costume and a strategically placed sequin detail that reads as intentional glamour. The trick isn't avoiding sparkle, it's controlling where it lives on your body. For a woman over 50, sequins concentrated in one area, a bodice, a sleeve, a hem, do something powerful. They draw the eye exactly where you want, while the rest of the silhouette stays clean and sophisticated. That contrast between structure and shimmer is what separates elegant from overdone. Think about the last time you saw a woman walk into a room in a beautifully cut dress with just a sequined bodice catching the light. You weren't thinking about her age. You were thinking, who is she and how do I get invited to wherever she's going next? Here's how to get it right. Choose one zone, bodice, sleeves, or a hem panel, never all three. Pair sequins with a matte fabric everywhere else, like crepe or a soft jersey, so the eye has somewhere to rest. Go for deep, rich tones instead of silver or gold if you want sophistication over flash. A bronze, a burgundy, an emerald sequin. And resist the urge to over-accessorize. When your dress is already talking, your jewelry should whisper. A single pair of drop earrings is enough. One mistake to avoid completely: sequins under harsh overhead lighting can look cheap fast, so this dress belongs at evening events with warm, low lighting, not a bright afternoon reception. Now, if sparkle isn't your language and you'd rather make a statement through shape instead of shine, the next dress on this list might be the one you've been looking for your entire life. Dress number 3, the statement sleeve dress. If you want one piece of advice that changes how you shop for party dresses forever, it's this. The drama doesn't have to be in the neckline or the hemline. Sometimes the most powerful move is one you make with your arms. A statement sleeve, a dramatic bishop sleeve, a structured puff, a bell sleeve that moves when you gesture, does something most women never consider. It draws attention upward, toward your face, your expression, the way you carry a conversation. While everyone else is worried about what's happening at their waist or their hips, you've redirected the entire conversation. This is one of the smartest silhouette choices for a woman who wants drama without exposure. You get the visual impact of a statement piece, but the rest of the dress, the bodice, the length, can stay completely classic and comfortable. It's the dress equivalent of a mic drop that doesn't require a single extra word. Picture yourself mid-conversation at a dinner party, gesturing as you talk, and the sleeve moves with you, full, dramatic, alive. People aren't just listening to what you're saying, they're watching how you say it. To do this well, pick one dramatic element, the sleeve, and keep everything else simple. A solid color, a clean neckline, a fitted or straight bodice. Structured fabrics like taffeta or a heavier crepe hold sleeve shape better than anything soft or clingy. Rich, solid colors work best here: a deep burgundy, a forest green, a true black, because a busy print will compete with the sleeve's drama instead of supporting it. And skip bracelets entirely. Let your wrist stay bare so the sleeve itself remains the moment. This one works everywhere, from a formal dinner to a holiday party, which is exactly why it deserves a place in your closet. Now, if you're the kind of woman who's ready to show a little skin without going anywhere near too much, the next dress on this list was made for exactly that kind of confidence. Dress number 2, the one-shoulder dress. There's a reason designers keep returning to asymmetry decade after decade. The human eye is drawn to what breaks a pattern. A one-shoulder dress does exactly that, and somehow it looks more elegant than a fully covered neckline ever could. Here's what's actually happening visually. A symmetrical neckline reads as safe, expected, sometimes even forgettable. The moment you break that symmetry, one shoulder bare, one covered, the eye has to pause and look again. That pause is exactly what makes an entrance memorable. For a woman over 50 specifically, the one-shoulder cut is one of the most flattering necklines that exists because it elongates the neck, opens the collarbone, and draws the eye diagonally instead of straight across, which is naturally more slimming than a straight neckline could ever be. Think about the confidence it takes to let one shoulder be completely bare while the rest of you stays elegantly covered. That's not exposure, that's precision. You're choosing exactly what to reveal, and that's a far more powerful statement than showing everything or nothing at all. Here's how to wear this well. Choose a fabric with enough structure to hold the shoulder line in place all night. a structured crepe or a silk blend, not anything too soft that'll slip. Keep jewelry minimal on the bare side, one delicate bracelet or nothing at all, because the shoulder itself is the accessory. On the covered side, you can add a statement earring since that side is visually quieter. Rich jewel tones or deep neutrals both work beautifully here, and if you want something even more elevated, look for a subtle draped detail at the shoulder seam. It catches light and adds movement without adding bulk. One caution, check that the shoulder seam actually stays put when you raise your arms before you commit to wearing it all night. And now for the dress that ties every single lesson from this video together, the one I genuinely call the most powerful silhouette a woman over 50 can own. Dress number 1, the grand finale, the tailored column gown. If there's one dress that proves elegance doesn't need embellishment to be unforgettable, it's this one. No sequins, no dramatic sleeve, just a single clean line from shoulder to floor, and somehow it's the most commanding dress on this entire list. A column gown works on a completely different principle than everything else we've talked about today. It's not trying to add drama, it's removing everything except what matters: your posture, your presence, the way you move through a room. When there's nothing else competing for attention, all of it goes to you. This is what real, quiet confidence looks like in fabric form. A woman in a well-tailored column gown isn't asking to be noticed, she simply is. And for melanin-rich skin, a column silhouette in a rich, solid, saturated color, a deep emerald, a true black, a warm terracotta, creates one uninterrupted line of color that makes you look taller, more composed, and undeniably intentional. Imagine walking into a room and not needing a single accessory, a single sequin, a single dramatic detail to be the most remembered woman there. That's the entire point of this dress. It doesn't perform for the room adjusts to it. The key to getting this right is fit, and I mean precise, tailored, made for your body fit. This is not a dress you buy off the rack and hope for the best. Get it tailored at the waist and the hem, even if that means a trip to a seamstress after you buy it. Choose a fabric with enough weight to skim the body without clinging, a heavier crepe or a matte satin, never anything cheap and shiny. Keep the neckline simple, a clean V or a subtle boat neck. And here's the secret nobody tells you. Because the dress does so little on its own, you get to choose exactly one moment of drama elsewhere, a bold lip, a striking earring, or a slit at the leg. Just one. Never more. This is the dress for the event that actually matters, the one where you want to be remembered walking in and remembered walking out. It doesn't need a party to prove anything. It just walks in like it already won. So, let's bring it all together. The velvet dress that catches light with every move you make, the sequin dress worn with restraint that lets shimmer do exactly what it's supposed to do instead of overwhelming you, the statement sleeve dress that redirects every eye in the room toward your face and your presence, the one-shoulder dress that turns precision into elegance, and the tailored column gown, the dress that proves you don't need noise to be unforgettable. Here's what I want you to walk away with today. None of these dresses are about hiding. Every single one of them is about choosing, on purpose, exactly how you want to show up in a room. That's not vanity, that's confidence with intention. And at 50, 60, 70, you've earned the right to walk into any room like you already belong there, because you do. The next time somebody tells you that party dresses are for younger women, you don't need to argue. You just need to remember this video. Pick one of these 5 silhouettes and let the dress do the talking. If this helped you see party dresses differently, hit like, drop a comment telling me which one of these 5 you're trying first. And if you're not subscribed to Melanin Care yet, do it now, because we've got a lot more of these conversations coming and I don't want you to miss a single one. Until next time, stay elegant, stay intentional, and remember, a queen doesn't dress to be noticed. She dresses like she already knows she will.